We say all the time that Three-Way Plumbing does such a great job with customer service. Here's what a customer named Elaine said about Three-Way Plumbing. She wrote, I was unbelievably satisfied. They were great and extremely helpful. They were on time, knowledgeable, gave me my options in writing. They got right to the job. Plumber had everything he needed with him, went out of his way to explain everything, even showed me where my main shutoff valve was. They acted like it was their pleasure to serve me. Wow. I was impressed all the way around and my expectations were exceeded. It's rare these days to receive such awesome customer service. That's a customer at Three-Way Plumbing. They built that business on taking care of people because the owner of the company, Danielle Martini, was tired of being treated like it was a burden to hire somebody to fix something at her house. At Three-Way Plumbing, they're on time. They get it done right the first time, and you're going to love your service. The number 3wayplumbing.com.
Unless you really know what you're doing, and most of us don't, you need a real plumber with a problem like that. The number 3wayplumbing.com.